There is no way in hell I'll wear this shade. But this looks like it did sweat. Maybe I'm going to wash my dishes with this. Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this beauty right here. So this is Boxycharm Premium for the month of August 2020. So I'm going to unbox along with you guys, and also we're going to go over the juicy reviews. And if you're new around here, hello, welcome to my channel, and please do subscribe to my channel, and also please give this video a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get to the video. But before we begin, let's look at the premium spoilers. And the choice for a premium box opens on August 13th. And subscribers may choose between the OLE Henriksen Pat Glow Facial Mask. And let's take a look. So on Sephora, the value of this one is around $50. So this is how it looks. So this has got like cotton extract and Noriac beet snap, pink bentonite clay. So I think this is how it looks. And now let's look at the details. An anti-age fighting mask that works like a facial with potent PHAs and snap to exfoliate, illuminate, and brighten the skin. Okay, and next we have this Marc Jacobs Youthquake Hydra Full Retexturizing Gel, value of $59. Okay, now let's look at the details of this one. So it's a multitasking moisturizer with powerful pineapple enzymes and encapsulated sodium for hydration, retexturizing results, and a glowing makeup ready canvas. And this is for like normal, dry, and combination skin. And third choice is this Marc Jacobs Dew Drops Coconut Gel Highlighter. I think they are like two shades. So the price on this beauty is $45. Okay, so let's look at the shades, like how it looks. So this is the lighter shade. So this is the closer look. And now this is the darker shade. Now let's look at the details of this beauty. It's a lightweight coconut infused gel highlighter that can be applied to skin directly or added into foundation or primer for a universally flattering glow. The first beauty that I see right here, so this is Milk Makeup, and it's a long wear gel eyeliner, and it's in the color Bonus. Price on this one is $22. This is like two-sided. This has the one to blend it or smudge it, and the other side is the liner. This is how it looks, and let me swatch this a bit. And this has a smudger plus sharpener. Oh, where is the sharpener? Oh, okay, so there is the sharpener inside this one. Good to know. Okay, about this beauty, this is highly pigmented waterproof gel formula hydrates skin with hyaluronic acid and avocado oil, so liner glides on smoothly in a swipe. Juicy review about this beauty. I loved the color and I was so excited to try, but it does not show in your eye. You need to be very close to see something. For me, it's useless. Okay, the next beauty that I have is, so this is MAC Stain Lipstick, and this is in the color Brave. So this is like the MAC kind of bullet kind of lipstick. This is the shade we're talking about. It's pretty, but this looks like it did sweat. Let me see if my camera can capture it, but there is like tiny droplets of water or
something. I'm thinking it could be like it was too hot outside, so it did sweat. Price on this one is $19. A creamy lipstick formula with a soft, cushiony feel, medium to full buildable coverage, and a satin finish. Juicy review. I keep getting super dark colors. I'm quite fair, so there is no way in hell I'll wear this shade. These boxes that has lipsticks that I have to give away, too bad. The next beauty that I have is this one right here. But after spa slip-on exfoliator. So price on this beauty is $18, and about this, the AfterSpa slip-on exfoliator is a self-exfoliant that cleanses the body, removing dead skin cells that needs to be carefully removed. So this is like more like a body kind of scrub, I'm assuming, but this looks like a dishwashing glove. But this is for body washing. That's the only difference I can see. Let's see the reviews, like what others have to say about this. Okay, the first one says, what do I do with this? I don't even know who to give it to. Yeah, I have no idea to what I'm going to do. Maybe I'm going to wash my dishes with this. Okay, the next one says lame filler product. We all use Sponge, and this product now. Okay, so looks like most of the people are not happy about this. Beauty that I see is this one right here, the Synday Riley A plus high dose retinoid serum. So this one is advanced strength retinoid serum, delivers a 6.5 solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanical. So this is how it came. This is how it looks. Let me see like how it looks. This is like yellowish kind of color. I wasn't expecting that to be in this color. It smells like paint. Yeah, seriously. This smells like paint for me. Is it the like trend going on right now? Like in most of my subscription boxes, I see Synday Riley products, including the subscription boxes like the sample size products. Even that I see like Synday Riley. Okay, the price on that beauty was $85. Now the juicy reviews. This is the best thing for wrinkles. I have been using this for a year. It helps so much with smile lines and the fine lines between your brows. Okay, the next one says just one really exciting product out of all products in the box. Okay. Okay, the next one says Magic, my favorite skincare brand. I am beyond happy that I got this. It made my box worth. This stuff is amazing. Yeah, that's true, you guys. So, even though they are expensive and we are getting them in the subscription boxes for way lesser price, but they are really worthy. So, they do work. Like, at least for my skin, I do see the results. Next beauty is this one right here. Relax. XL volumizer eyelash booster formula. Extra long lashes and brows can be yours. Thin and brittle no more, as you can transform them to appear naturally thicker, fuller and stronger. This boosts weak lashes. It doesn't smell anything. I don't smell anything. This one price is $49. Wow. Okay, let's look at the reviews. 3 days in, I have not noticed much change, but hopefully to see results down the lane. It's hard to tell if you really got any product on your lashes. Okay, well, seeing how it's not mascara, it's gonna take time to find out if it does what it claims. Okay, so I think we don't know if this actually works, so we have to try it and see if this actually works. Now the star of the show, well, this is the second star, I guess. The first star is this one, A plus, Sunday Riley A plus. Okay, and this one is the ciate London, the editor palette, New England. I love ciate London. It doesn't matter whatever you give for me, like in ciate London, I'll be the happiest person in this world. So these are the shades. These are like really, really pretty colors. They're like sparkly colors and also not much of the matte colors. I don't see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Just 4 of them are matte, and the remaining all are like shimmery kind of shades. Price on this beauty is $32. And about this, inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortlessly hazy eye look. Okay, now the juicy reviews. Love eyeshadows, but this wasn't an exciting palette. Okay, next one says, not into these colors whatsoever. Looks and feels too super cheap. Okay, the next one says, I thought I wasn't going to be into this, but it's super nice and lots of them are very shimmery. That's true. So a lot of them are shimmery kind of colors. So I'm happy with this one, and I'm not mad at it. That's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully you had fun, and thank you for visiting my channel, and be good to each other, stay safe, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.